An Alberta separatist group attempting to advance an independence referendum question has been told to go back to the drawing board. The province is tabling changes to the rules for citizen initiative petitions and other parts of the Election Act. CTV's Connor Hogg joins us now. So, Connor, what is the status of this independence question that's currently before the courts?
Matt, the Alberta Prosperity Project wanted a referendum to ask, quote, do you agree that the province of Alberta shall become a sovereign country and cease to be a province in Canada? The province now says it can't go ahead as is, while the Forever Canada Pro-Confederacy petition that was verified this week can proceed.
If we allow the process to proceed in the Forever Canada petition as it is, that a different petition will have to go through the same rigors and get those signatures that they need. Simultaneous, sure, but piggybacking, no. There will be
Justice Minister Mickey Amery says the province would allow both questions to proceed as long as they meet signature requirements and are constitutional. It will not combine them. Other changes include more paperwork for petition canvassers. Higher penalties are also being put in place for retaining personal information gathered in petitions. The Act is also making adjustments to the names of future political parties in the province. It would forbid the use of terms related to current parties or any legacy names of parties that were combined to form current ones. Amery says these can confuse Albertans into thinking they're voting for something they aren't.
There is no difference between somebody registering a political name that is very similar to an existing and well-established political party as there would be for a restaurant that has been in operation for decades, having a competitor open next door with a very similar same name.
Former UCP MLAs Peter Guthrie and Scott St. Clair are currently in a legal battle with the province over their attempt to use the Progressive Conservative Party name for their rebranded Alberta Party. Among the list of unacceptable words are advantage, conservative, liberal, pro-life, democratic, wild rose, solidarity, communist, reform, green, republican, and independence. Amery says the timing is unrelated and Albertans need to know the ideologies of the parties asking for their support. Today's amendments also include deterrents for long ballot petitions like those seen in the Battle River Crowfoot by-election, as well as allowing term additions for justices of the peace and limitations to the education and training that the Law Society of Alberta will accept. Amery says today's new rules do not affect the Recall Act, adding the government is happy to defend its record against recall petitions. Matt?
All right, Connor Hogg, thank you.